Guys, in this video, we will learn what is multithreading in Python and how we can achieve multithreading in Python program. I am using editor PyCharm and Python version 3.12 is installed on my computer. First, we will understand what is multithreading. Multithreading is nothing but it is a multitasking. The example of multitasking is to open up a Microsoft Word document and type something at the same time, your spelling check and grammar mistakes are getting checked in the backend, right? So this is called a multitasking. What is multi-threading in Python? Multi-threading is a technique in which multiple threads in a process share the same data space with the main thread and they can execute independently but share the same CPU. Threads are lighter than processes and share the same memory space. You can consider a application program which is running on operating system. This is called a process. A process can contain multiple threads. When you open the task manager, you will see there are multiple processes which are getting executed, right? Each process represent a application program. Okay, I have some code handy to save some time to explain more what is multi-threading and how it works in the program. Okay, so this is a simple Python program which actually print number and letters. The first function which prints the numbers from 0 to 9 and the second function which prints letter from A to Z, right? And here we have used a time module to measure the time, how much time those both function has taken. We have start the time and then we have end the time, right? Then we have end time minus start time. In second, how much time it has taken. So you can see the total time, how much they have taken. And these both functions are getting executed in a sequence, right? First this executed, after that this function executed, right? Which means when this function was getting executed, the cursor was waiting here only, right? Once this executes, after that this start executing this another function, this function, which means most of the time CPU was idle and we could have used the CPU idle timings, right? In order to use the maximum time of CPU, we can use multithreading in Python. Okay, let's implement multithreading. Okay, so in order to achieve multithreading, so we have to import threading module. Instead of executing this function directly, we have to assign these function to the thread, right? Okay, so we will be creating thread 1 t1 equals to threading dot thread target argument which refers a function, right? So we are going to refer our any of the function, right? In the same way, we are going to create another thread t2 and in this t2 thread we are now referring another function that is write letters. So this is how we can refer our function into threads and this thread would be starting. I'm going to remove this function which was executing directly. Now we have to wait till this execution gets over, right? So with the help of join function, we will wait here, right? t2 dot join. Okay, so this is the only thing we have to do and other statement of the program as it is, right? Okay, now we have shifted our execution of both the function into the threads and these threads will be starting and then they will be joining, right? Okay, if you run the program again, so you will see time would be very less this time. You see, even you see the output of each function was mixed in the execution, right? 0, A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, right? So this is how we utilize the CPU timing and at the same time both function got executed. While with the previous program, both two functions, these two functions were getting in a sequence, right? One after another. Okay. So this is how we can use multi-threading in Python.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.